Um, Hello. In this video, I would like to explain about language variation focus on use, especially about style. Marjohan stated that style refers to a variation in speech or writing from more formal to more casual. Some markers for the formal style would be the use of may instead of might and can, and also constructions such as for whom did you get it instead of who you get that for in more casual speech. Peter Trudgill and Jaworski used four different styles that are related to five social groups in his work on the standarding pronunciation and the non-standarding pronunciation in Norwich English. The four styles are wordless style or WLS, reading passage style or RPS, formal speech or FS, and casual speech or CS, while the five social groups are lower working class or LWC, middle working class or MWC, upper working class or UWC, lower middle class or LMC, and middle class or MMC. Next, according to Holmes, the term style refers to language variation which reflect change in situational factor. She also mentioned that style are often analyzed according to the level of formality. This is in accordance with Martin Joss in his book The Five Clocks as quoted by Nawaban, who divided the style of formality into five levels. Next, five levels of formality. Frozen style for the first. It is the it is the most formal style used in formal situations and ceremonies. It is called frozen because the pattern has been set up firmly and can never be changed by anyone. We can see this style in historical documents, ratification, and other formal documents. And then the second is formal style. It is the style used in formal speech, formal meeting, office correspondence, lesson books for school, etc. Chair and Agustina, state by Chair and Agustina, sorry. Formal style is basically similar to the frozen style that is only used in formal situation and not in informal situation. The example of formal style as quoted by Marjohan from Nababan is the first paragraph of the opening of the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia that was written in a formal or even in a frozen style. Next, five levels of formality. And then the third is consultative style. This is the style used in ordinary conversation held at school, in meeting or conversation that leads to result and production. Uh, it can be said that this style is the most operational one. And then number four, casual style. It is the style used to speak with friends, family, or relatives during the leisure time while exercising or etc. Stated by Chair and Agustina. The casual style, the sorry, the casual style markers in English mentioned in Marjohan books are the first, the absence of an article at the beginning of a sentence. For example, friend friend of mine saw it, and then coffee is cool. And then the absence of the subject at the beginning of a sentence. For example, bought it yesterday, and then makes no difference. Next. And then the third of the casual style is the absence of an auxiliary. For example, living, seen John lately, and next, intimate style. This is the style used with people who have close relationship with the speaker. By using this, sorry, by using this style, those people do not need to use complete sentence with clear articulation. They just simply use short words. It happens mainly because there is an understanding among those people. Okay, thank you.